Good morning, students. Today we will study Standard 7th, chapter number 17, that is Forest, our lifeline. As we all know, forests are very important for us. They play an important role in our life. We get different things from the forest. So we can say that forests are very important for the survival of all the living organism, as human beings, plants, animals are directly or indirectly depend upon the forest. So here it is a story to visit to a forest by Bujo and Pehli. So here I will tell you the story, then we will understand what they understand after visiting the forest. One evening, Bujo entered the park with an elder person. He introduced him to his friend Professor Ahmed, who was a scientist working in the university. So children start playing while Professor Ahmed sat on the bench in the corner. So he was tired because he's participated in Golden Jubilee celebration of the town. So why he is tired? Because he's participated in the Golden Jubilee celebration. So, after some time, children also came and sat around him. Uh, the children want to know about the celebration from Professor Ahmed. Uh, so Professor Ahmed, he is a senior people discuss the town's unemployment problem. He tell them about the cultural program, that is the senior city people discussed about the town's unemployment. So he said a plan was proposed, put up a factory by clearing an area of forest just outside the town. They are thinking they will clear the forest and set up a factory. So as the population is increasing, so chance to get a job is also increasing. So children were surprised. So they have many people had objected to this idea. So children were surprised because many people has objection because they are going to clean the forest and set up the factory. So forests are very important for us. So when they clean the forest, it is very um disadvantageous for the people. So here is a view of a forest, you can see here. So the forests serve as a green lungs and water purifying system in nature. So Professor Ahmed explained that forests are the green lungs, which means it give us the pure oxygen. So mainly it purify the nature. So but the children were confused, but the children had not visited a forest yet, so children also wanted to know more about the forest. So they visited to a forest with Professor Ahmed. So here is a visit to a forest. One Sunday morning, the children packed a few things like knife, a hand lens, stick, notebook, and walked together through a forest trail near a village. On their way, they met Tibu, who is a young boy of their age and who was taking cattle for grazing along with his aunt. He was agile and running here and there to keep the herd together. So, when he saw the children, Tibu also started walking along with them while his aunt went on a different path. So Tibu is a forest guy who is used for grazing the herds in the forest with his aunt. But when he saw the children, he go along with them. So when they entered the forest, Tibu raised his hand and signaled them to keep quiet because the noise could disturb the animal. So why they signaled them to keep quiet? Because the noise could disturb the animals living in the forest. So Tibu let them go to the height to show the broad view of forest. Children were very surprised because they could not see any land because there were lot of trees and vegetation there. The different tree tops had formed green cover over the land. So there is a cover of land there. However, the cover was not uniformly green. So why it is not green? Because some has yellowish texture, some has green color, some has light green color. So mainly the environment was peaceful and cool breeze was blowing. So this made children quite fresh and happy. So while coming down from the upper view, they got excited on hearing the sudden sound of birds. So some noises from the top branches of the tree. So Tibu told them to relax since it was a normal phenomena here. So he saw the monkey had climbed higher up on the trees where they disturbed the birds. So animal often gives this type of warning call to alert other animals. So there is other animals like boar, bison, jackal, porcune elephants in the deeper area of the forest. So, so Professor Ahmed told the children not to go deep into the forest because of the large wild animals. So they are thinking about the study of the animals. You can see here some forest animals as you visit in the forest again. So as these are monkeys are climbing, so they could see how the forest provide home for many animals and plants. So mainly forest is the home for many animals and plants. So there are the number of trees you can see: neem, shesham, simal, bamboo. So the land where the children were walking was uneven and covered with trees. So land was uneven because due to the large number of stones, leaves are there. So Tibu helped them to identify salk, teak, simal, shesham, neem, amla, bamboo and kachnar. You can see these things in the figure. So there are several other trees, shrubs, herbs and grasses in the forest also. So forest floor and the tree were also covered with the different types of creepers and climber. You already studied in the class 6 about creeper, climber, shrubs and herbs. So sun was barely visible through the leaves of the tree, making it quite dark inside the forest. So what make the dark inside the forest? The leaves and the trees. So here there is activity number 17.1. Observe the various things in your home and make a list of those which are made from material which may have been obtained from the forest. This is a project you can be able to do. So you might have many wooden items on your list like plywood, fuel, wood, boxes, paper, matchsticks and furniture. So there is also gum, oil, spices, fodder for animals as a medicinal plant are also some of the product which we get from the forest. So based on the product we get from plants, try to fill the table 17.1. So this is a table 17.1 and try to fill up this table. So here we had completed topic of today, the visit to a forest. So in next lecture we will go to the next topics in this article. So as do the activity at your project notebook and try to paste the pictures of the different types of plants, forest products which we get from forest. Thank you.